Good morning, guys. Day 2. Why am I panting? Because I just took a bath. It's like, what's the time? It's 7:30 and we have our toy train at 9:40. Before that, we were planning to go to Keventas, but from our homestay, like I was mentioning, it's quite a lot of walk. So I'm not really sure whether we'll be able to make it to Keventas and then go to toy train, because Keventas, I've heard they take a little time to serve. They're also today being a Sunday, so we're a little concerned, but right now we're just trying to hurry up, get ready and go and see if Keventas works out well and good for today. Otherwise, we'll probably grab something quickly and go for a toy train ride, and then maybe we'll do Keventas not tomorrow morning, day after, the day we leave. So let's see how it goes, and we have a lot of things planned up. And Indrani's friend who stays in Gangtok, he is coming over with a couple of his friends, so probably we're going to have a gang today. So let's see how it goes. See you. Bye. Hello. Okay, so we're all ready, and where are you? There. So right now we are walking uphill, which is like a real uphill. So like I was telling you, Keventas' plan is a flop because it's almost like 8 and our toy train timing is at 9:40 and we'll have to walk quite a bit. So we're thinking we'll do something else and maybe check out Keventas sometime later. We came all the way from there, down, and now we're walking uphill. Now we're walking uphill, and Indrani's energy is all exhausted because it's like really uphill, because we were panting and oh my god, it's so much of walking. I don't want you guys to just hear me pant and pant. So yeah, see you. Bye bye. Taking breaks. And wondering how do people do it here, and then it's the hill, so you have to. Hello. 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 This is the exact place where we had been there last evening at night, but it was too dark, so probably all you could see were clouds. But now this is what you see. That's what you see. Okay, so we are at Frank Ross Breakfast and Cafe. We couldn't go to Keventas because there's already a queue. And so yeah, we've got cheese sandwiches and we've got Darjeeling tea. And this is the cute, pretty place. This is their live counter. Breakfast counter. We just had breakfast here. Not a pharmacy, of course. This really cute cafe. Best part about the cafe was they really served us quick. We told them we have our train at 9:40 and they gave us our food out of turn. So yeah, and I told them cute thanks. Yeah. So we are at the toy train station, which is the Darjeeling station. From here we'll take a toy train which will go to home and back. We finally reached. Those are the reservation counter, the information counter. By the way, the tickets cost us 1,300 for the steam engine, and it was, I think, 800 if you're taking the diesel one. আমাদের টিকিটে 9:40 का अलाउंस कर दो। करेगा? 9:30 अलाउंस कर दो। 9:30 तो कैंसिल हो गया। 9:40 दिन में अगला निकल I really like our famous train. I'm just hoping you get to hear the signal, which already went on twice. सीट कम बन रहा है हाँ वो करना यार चालू है सीट में गाड़ी है गाड़ी Oh, the smell of coal. Can you smell it? Coal is smelling. Smile! Where are you? They're filling in the coal because that's what it stops every time. Every time they stop and they fill in the coal so that the engine can run a little more far. That's the coal stack. And that's the steam. And believe me, the coal smells bad.
Hey, 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಿಗ್ರ
Okay, so we have a 10 minutes break here. So there you see the engine, there you see Indrani. Okay, so we'll take a quick, I'll just take you around this. By the way, I'm at Batashia Loop right now, which is one of these tourist spots here. And I'll take you around quickly. Yes. Okay, Abhijit, this one's for you. Like you said that I have to sing a song at Batashia Loop and it has to be Mere Sapno Ka Raja. So yeah, it goes like Mere Sapno Ka Raja kab aayega tu, Aayi rut mastani kab aayega tu, Biti jaayi zindagani kab aayega tu, Chala, if that makes any sense. Oh tu chala. We are at the Ghoom station right now and probably we'll be checking out Ghoom Museum. No, it's okay. That's how the Ghoom station looks like. That's the entry to the museum.
No scenic view, nothing, right?
Okay, so just now in Nani and myself we were discussing. We think Mehuna probably the first scene where Shah Rukh Khan appears was probably shot here. We know it was shot in Darjeeling, but Darjeeling station just does not have this much steam and that entire cloud thing. But Ghoom does. Look at there. I mean, I don't know if you can see at the back there. There's so much of this steam thing happening. I'm sure that particular shot is taken here. Inside, hashtag. Some kind of gang was going, and they are called Karate Olympics. Not called, probably they are participating in. We were crossing this place only, but that time it was too dark and I was not being able to vlog. So this is a horse or a pony stable, I think. Oh, these things make me so sad. I got myself pancakes with nuts, honey and banana. Okay, so some of Indrani's friends have joined and they're all having lunch. I had lunch at Sonam's. So I got a little me time and I just thought I'll come around the Oxford store and show you. Really wanted to check the store out, so yeah. This is the Oxford bookstore, book and stationery store that is, and I had this was in fact mentioned in one of the places to visit in Darjeeling. I do not really know why, but anyways, a bookstore is always a place to visit, so yeah. I'm gonna go and check the stuffs out. Okay, you can actually rent those dresses. Oh. Here's another street market. It's called the Mahakal Market. It's next to the Mahakal Mandir where we are heading to. Probably we'll check out a little bit of the market as well. Okay, so we happen to come to this mandir which is called the Mahakal Mandir. It's a little uphill from the Mall Road and it's have to go again uphill, so that's how it is. So I'm just trying to record whatever battery is left, and yeah. And strangely enough, there's a resort on the way to the mandir. That's very strange. Which looks pretty fancy smashy though. जा चले जाओ. also quite like that. Do you see? You have Om and other chants written out there. Oh, I love this, the fluttering of the flags. This is just too much for me. I just love them so much.
তোমরা কি এখনই
Hi, so right now I'm at Nakmul's Sunset Lounge and you have to see what's going on there. You see that? How pretty is this? Oh yeah, I know. You're going to thank me later. Thank me later. This is a beautiful place where you can do tea tasting. Probably we're going to do that and maybe can I take some for home as well? So, yeah. You done? Yeah, I'm done. You don't want the mint? No, I do not like it. None of the herbal tea. I mean, I found them very. The flavors to be like. The smell is very artificial of all the herbal. I don't know why. We have tea starting at 700. Chalo. Okay, so for dinner we come to this place called Shangri-La Bar and Restaurant. Of course we had other plans, but it was raining and there were thunders, so yeah, thank you for the lights. So yes, finally we are here and again we are running out of time. We just have some half an hour, 45 minutes to wrap up dinner and leave. So yeah, kind of, I don't know.